Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to sync Google Calendar with Notion in 2025. So this integration helps you see your calendar events inside Notion so that you can manage your tasks and schedules in one place. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your Google Calendar on your desktop. Over here in the left hand section, you are going to see all of the calendars that you have created basically. So you need to hover over to any one of these. Then you need to select that particular calendar in which you want to sync. So you can click on the three dots right next to it. Then you can go to the option of settings and privacy. So once you are inside the settings and privacy, you need to hover over to the left hand section again, then click on the option of add calendar here on the top left hand corner of the screen. Now select the option of from URL, and here if you want a private access, you can just simply add it, or you can also check the option of make a calendar publicly accessible. Now once you have it, you need to open your Notion application just like so in your desktop. Over here you need to click on the option of this plus icon, then you need to add a page. Over here you need to add the backslash, and after that you need to search for command. It will be here in the bottom, so you can tap on the option of backslash and then you can select command. After that you need to type embed. So once you type embed over here, you need to select the embed option. Now you need to paste the Google Calendar link into the embed box, and Notion will display your calendar directly inside this page. You can resize it and make it anywhere to your workspace. So as you can see, we come here. If you go back and copy this calendar link from here, then we paste it over here and click on the option of embed link, you will see your calendar over here in no time. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.